Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here's your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
So today's topic is about avoiding copying. Well, copying and paste is a dangerous game online. You're trying to build your unique online presence and want to be perceived as an authentic individual. So copying someone's post or comment is never recommended. And why is that? It's pretty easy to get caught with a simple visit to Google search. However, I do understand that sometimes sharing a similar picture or video will happen. That's a common thing because sometimes people think equally and sometimes also they encounter the same material or source of inspiration. And that's okay, as long as you keep your tone and voice. The idea is to write your own take from the subject. That's why you don't just copy and paste, you add something on it. It's like a DJ, you can remix things,
Where's the beat?
There it is. Cutting and scratching. Two turntable. Wearing out the crossfader at my command.
Like this.
Funky. Good. Bust this.
Make them clap to this.
Pump up the bass.
Pump up the volume.
Pump it up, homeboy.
Just don't stop.
Hey, you. Hey.
Alright, you got the idea, right? So, in other words, let's say you are surfing on the net and found this amazing post online. What do? Just don't copy and paste right away. Try to reflect on the subject and put your own spin on it. Rewrite the post in your own tone and voice. And that's crucial because, again, you're trying to be authentic and one-off individual. So just copying someone will not help you to achieve that, right? So as action, try to find 5 posts online that you think it's great. Then you rewrite them using your own words, tone, and inner voice. And if you're not familiar with tone and voice, go back some episodes on the Now You Know podcast. I already talked about that on the year 1, and you can find that. So can you find a new way or approach that the original writer missed it? So that's crucial. Again, even if you find posts online, you have to find different approaches. And maybe sometimes can you make even shorter or something more direct? Can you make it simpler? Can you expand it? So when you have this kind of thought, even the posts are similar, they are not going to be a copy and paste. And they are going to be unique to you because you add on your thoughts. Right? Okay, so for Food for Thoughts, continue our previous discussion, about censorship of ideas or even debates on social media these days. My kind of worriness is that this actually, this action of censorship may lead us to the wrong path. And maybe it's going to be too late to realize that, right? When we reach a point that the realization in the future of our own mistakes will be like a battle galactic enormous mistake, right? And we want to avoid that.
How could I have been so completely wrong? I have led the entire human race to ruin.
All right. So see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.